Environmental Foundation is a public interest litigation organization founded in 1981.
Our mission has always been to
conserve and protect Sri Lanka's natural environment through legal and scientific means.
EFL has a proud history
that's made significant impact on protecting Sri Lanka's natural environment
and supporting aggrieved and vulnerable communities.
Many of them were a consequence of our conflict, such as
helping to establish a national wetland policy,
initiating vehicle emission testing for the first time in Sri Lanka,
protecting world-faced
from being privatized, and many more.
The scientific research we conduct helps biodiversity conservation and sustenance of ecosystem services.
Water quality assessments and protecting our wildlife in great lengths.
In 2018, we contributed to the formulation of the 6th National Report to the Convention on Biological Diversity.
EFL continues to educate and inspire
youth and general public for an eco-friendly tomorrow
by conducting events and workshops
on various topics to raise awareness.
from publications such as Your Environmental Rights and Responsibilities,
to formulating an event series called Green Conversations,
to numerous workshops.
EFL strives every day
to educate the citizens of Sri Lanka
to safeguard our natural environment.
We voice for those affected by environmental injustice.
We are passionate about environmental conservation.
we foster environmental stewardship.
We are justice for nature.
Join our mission, support our work.
Together we can and we must protect and conserve Sri Lanka's natural environment. It's not a choice anymore.